Where's your doggy, Corbin? Oh, there he is. Is that your doggy? There he is.
Can you help me put this on?
Sure.
Okay. Alright.
Did it work?
No.
Is it too small?
It's so
Do you want out? Today's October, I don't know, 12th, I think? No, 15th or something like that. 2012. Corbin is 14 months almost. Hi, buddy. And Cameron's 2. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Corbin, say bye-bye. Corbin, say bye-bye.
I'm not gonna do that.
You do.
I do.